Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Getting to Know Your Crystals. I'm Kim, your Positive Shift Navigator, here to help you explore different tools so you can find what resonates with you. Today, we're talking Chrysocolla, a beautiful stone known for its calming energy and powerful connection to communication and emotional expression. Chrysocolla carries a receptive energy, meaning it helps you slow down, tune in, and really listen to yourself and to others. It's connected to the planet Venus, which ties it to love, harmony, and relationships, and the element of water, supporting emotional flow and healing. This crystal is often known as the stone of communication. It helps you express your thoughts more clearly, speak your truth with confidence, share emotions in a calm, balanced way. It works closely with the throat chakra for communication and the heart chakra for emotional healing, making it a powerful combination when you're trying to speak from the heart without feeling overwhelmed. Energetically, Chrysocolla supports peace, wisdom, love, and creativity. So if you ever feel like your thoughts are tangled, your emotions are bottled up, or you're struggling to find the right words, this is a great crystal to work with. Historically, Chrysocolla was believed to help release fear and illusions when held, encourage wisdom and discretion when worn, and to support love-based intentions and emotional connection. It's also connected to the Zodiac signs, Gemini, Virgo, and Taurus, but anyone can benefit from its energy. And if you're someone who expresses yourself through creativity, writing, art, or even just journaling, Chrysocolla can help ideas flow more naturally. Chrysocolla is often found in copper-rich areas like Peru, Chile, and the southwestern United States. You can work with Chrysocolla by holding it during journaling or reflection, keeping it nearby during conversations or stressful situations, wearing it as jewelry to stay connected to its calming energy, using it during meditation, especially when focusing on your throat or heart chakra. There's no one right way. Just find what feels natural for you. Remember, crystals are tools. What matters most is how you connect with them. Take what resonates, leave what doesn't, and explore what works best for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.